Hey guys, it's Lisa, your awesome auntie, and we found some things that I was supposed to try myself, so I got a cup of food and then I have my drink mixes. This first one is by Trail's Best. It's a sweet and spicy pork jerky. We're going to give that one a shot. Has only 5 sugars. Smells good. Seems to be soft. See how spicy it is. If it's too spicy, my hubby gets it. I'm tasting the sweet right now. I don't really taste the spicy yet. Keyword yet. Got my Aquafina water. Love this stuff. Okay. I don't taste no spice in it, so... Oh, spicy barbecue. Okay. That's a keeper. It's pretty good. Soft. Next one is by Jack Link's Meat Snacks. It's the Teriyaki Beef Jerky. And it's got 4 sugars. I like these easy to open bags. Oh, that smells good. Get a piece out here. Look like that. It's got a good expiration date, 5/9/22. It's not too bad. I'm not tasting the teriyaki though. But I'll keep it. Excuse me. I'll just have to... I had a little container here that I got. I was going to put my dad's ashes in here. It's inside of a medicine bottle, but I don't think that's going to fit. So, well, probably going to stick with that glass one that I showed before. But I may... go looking at Walmart tomorrow or Monday and see what they have. They have some stuff online, but I'm just worried about if I order something glass, I don't want it broken, you know. That's a cute little container. Okay. Oops, I lost that little... I don't know why they put these little do not eat things in here for. I guess it's to keep it fresh or something. Alright, next is the drink mixes. Oops. Let's try the Weiler's Light Strawberry Lemonade. It has sweetener, so there's no sugars. That's good. I always get sugar-free stuff. Since I'm diabetic. Get on my trash! No! Cat's nosy. That gum. Tell you, they just make stuff harder and harder to open. Okay. Cute little package it's in. Yeah, there we go. I don't know why my camera on my... Ouch, on my tablet seems to have to show everything to the right. Okay, got it open. I used to like lemonade and pink lemonade when I was a teenager. Not so much now. This smells really good, so we'll see. Oh, excuse me. Okay. Alright. Pretty pink color. Again, you can smell the lemonade, not so much the strawberry. Woo! It's awfully sweet. In a way I like it, in a way I don't. No, Tommy. Probably just going to give it to my friend. Yeah. I mean, I may keep that bottle and drink that one, but... Alright, next is the Zero Sugar Sun-Kissed Grape. This one did the same thing. You try to pull the little lip on it and it just breaks right in half. Alright. Again, the clear packaging. I always shake them down to make... That one was easier to open. Definitely smells just like Grape KoolAid. Okay. Babe, you turn the heater off?
No.
Don't turn on my ceiling fan? There we go. Ooh, I love that purple color. It's pretty. It's coming through on screen dark, but on my side it's like a light, a little bit darker than lavender. It's not bad.
I found one of my Miller big coffee in
Turn on my ceiling fan.
the
Yeah.
refrigerator.
Go put these
James's?
with James. Yeah.
Like the other two?
You can try that one. You can try this one.
I don't want to try none of them.
This one's great.
I don't
Okay.
want to try anything.
He does not want to try it. That's fine. Let me throw my trash away for a second. And then I have one more, which is the Sun-Kissed Orange. See this little lip right here? You're supposed to be able to pop it up and it'd come off. But this one's doing a little bit better. But still tore all the heck, see? Alright. I'm really hoping I like this one because I really like orange flavored stuff. Especially orange jello. It's one of my favorite. Open up. There we go. Alright. Now. Smells like oranges. Smells so good. Alright. Now my water. And put the lid on and give it a good shake. I like this Walmart water, but the lids are so hard to get on because if you don't get them on just right, then it leaks. Alrighty. Let's give her a taste. Smells like, you know that Tang stuff they used to have when you was a kid? It smells like that. I like it. It's a little bit sweeter, but yep. Alright, well that's it for my taste test and everything. I believe if I find something else I'll let you know, but I think that's it. Thanks for watching if you watched. Please please don't forget to like and subscribe if you want. Oh. And I hope y'all have a good night. And I'm going to go back to watching Tubi TV. I'm watching Daisy of Love.